The purpose of air sampling is to collect mold structures from the ambient air to identify if unusual conditions exist. Air sampling is a useful tool to try and obtain information relative to mold in an indoor environment, but it must be completed alongside a complete assessment of the property, as the air data cannot be relied upon solely. Air sampling for mold can provide information about the indoor environment from which the sample was taken. Equipment and materials used to collect the air samples include a sampling pump, rotometer, bioaerosol cassettes, tripod, and chain of custody. To sample for mold in the air requires attaching the battery-operated pump to the tripod. To collect the bioaerosol samples, set the tripod and air pump in an open area of the location to be sampled. The first step is to calibrate the pump. Turn on the pump and attach the rotometer to the pump. Using the pump menu, choose the calibration mode on the pump by using the up and down keys. Once the calibration option is found, press the Set button. This will choose the pump flow rate screen, where the flow rate can be adjusted. The desired flow rate for air sampling for mold is 15 liters. Adjust the pump's airflow by pressing the up or down tabs on the pump. The pump is calibrated once the middle of the flow ball in the rotometer is at the demarcation line. Once the desired flow rate is achieved, press the Set button on the pump. Then remove the rotometer. Remove the sticky tabs on the top and bottom ends of the cassette and stick the tabs on the pump for later use. Attach the cassette to the pump and record the cassette number onto the chain of custody. Using the pump menu, choose the single sample mode by using the up and down keys. Press the Set tab once the sample runtime option is found. Sampling times for mold air samples should be 5 to 10 minutes depending on the type of assessment. Press Start on the pump and let it run for the sampling time. After this, the sample duration is considered complete and the pump will stop sampling. A sample of 75 to 150 liters has been collected. Remove the bioaerosol cassette and replace the sticky tabs. Fold the tabs around both ends of the cassette to indicate the sample has been collected. After all samples are collected, the chain of custody must be completed. On the chain of custody, record the project name and number and the laboratory analysis method required. Make sure that all samples collected have the sample number, sample location, sample date, and time recorded. Make sure the chain of custody has a relinquished signature prior to shipping the samples to the laboratory. For directions on how to complete a chain of custody, please refer to the AirMD chain of custody video.